What's up, my Pangos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this Qi2 Boost Qi2 charging 15-watt car mount charger here from the folks at ESR. This is literally my favorite car mount to be able to place on my vent, to put on my dashboard, to use for my Android phone or my iPhone. It's great if you have a case that is MagSafe or magnetically attachable to be able to charge and protect your phone all in one. It's made out of a high quality polymer material with very strong advanced magnets. It does push 15 watts, granted that you have the appropriate car adapter for your USB Type-C. It's got advanced cooling tech with a fan, so it's not gonna get hot, especially if it's facing the dash. And it's compact and fits a majority of car vents. Before we jump into it here, the folks at ESR did provide us something complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Let's go ahead and unbox this and demonstrate in my car how this is gonna work here for you and see if this is something that you're interested in. Unboxing the wireless car charger from ESR is easy and straightforward. I like the packaging, how it's clean and recyclable. There it is. There is your wireless charger there, as well as some of the mounts and adhesive. Here's everything that you get in the box. We've got a USB cable with a little tie, which is nice, so you can output your charging. Here is the unit itself. Coming up close, you can see it's got fine, nice craftsmanship, plastic in nature with this head mount that can be screwed off, which is easy to attach. And then you got your USB port right there as well. Here are your two different mounts. One of them is adhesive to your dashboard. Last is the very sturdy metallic clamp that can clip on with this extra guide here as well that's got silicone on it for you to be able to connect it. Attaching the head is really easy. You put the little thumb screw over the knob. The ball clips right onto the surface there, and then you just screw it tight against those threads, and you've got 360-degree rotation and adjustability. I like that. Okay, the unit comes in two different parts. You've obviously got the ball and head joint with the thumb screw. This is the unit that's gonna grip onto like 95 to 99% of This is gonna grip on 95% of these vents. Mine obviously fits here. What's nice is it's made out of this silicone material. It's got a very rugged metal spring steel, so it's gonna grip onto it. And it's also got this little action or leverage here so that it's gonna be able to give you that sturdy mount. Placing it on the unit is easy. As you can see, the heat sink on the back where it does have a fan, which will disperse the heat. And then obviously the Qi2 charging 15-watt charger here. So we're gonna go ahead and place the thumb screw over the head, and then we can go ahead and mount it by just press fitting it and then thumb screwing it tight here. I'm not ready to tighten it all the way because you can adjust it once you mount it. All right, here's the unit. We're gonna be placing it here on the vent. Very, very easy. You can basically one-hand it, place it into lower rung, let go of it, and the spring is gonna be strong enough for it to be able to hold. And then you've got this backstop to be able to give you extra stability and holding onto it. It doesn't stretch further down. It's in a nice spot here. And then you can obviously tighten it here to get how much of the 360-degree range that you'd like and how tight you like it. I really like how you're able to angle it, whether you wanted the passenger to use it or if you want to use it as a ride-along buddy for car share or for Google Maps, you have that option. Now with it completely set up here, let's go ahead and throw the phone on for the first time. You can see there's a little bit of a glow, which makes it fun to be able to have for at night and whatnot. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on. Here's the iPhone, and my favorite part is when you set it up on a MagSafe device, it's actually going to turn into this standby mode, which is really cool, allowing you to be able to see the time, weather, any other updates as well. It's really robust. It's on there strong. Otherwise, you can throw it on here vertically if you wanted to be able to have this as your nice ride-along buddy.